I first came across this, I had no clue what they were doing. After a second pass, I figured it out. What they're doing is one of them trucks has a great big torch fire heating system on it. It basically melts the road underneath it. Then the next truck grinds it up and they add some tar to it, mix it all up, and then it puts it back down in the road. It actually does a pretty good job. Here I am later in the day on the same run, going by this job again. None of these trucks have drivers in them. They're being controlled remotely somehow or the other. This was a really good job. The road was really nice when they were done. But then they went and tar and chipped over top of it, and it was instantly ruined. Well, we go from a beautiful day by the lake in August to, I guess you call this a beautiful day in the woods. I woke up to this yesterday morning, which was November 17th. It looks really nice, but it's midday in this shot, and the road is a lot better, but the road was horrible first thing in the morning. Guess they forgot to tell the state and the county they had a job to do. There's Rob. We're getting ready to pull in the pit here. You see, it's actually later in the day in this shot than it was a minute ago. You'll see why, because Rob's down here getting loaded again. We're hauling asphalt sand today. So this footage is off of my Garmin Dez'L cam. It's for my GPS. It's special for semis. Keeps track of your mileage in each state automatically. It has a dash cam that's either activated on impact, say if you're to get in an accident, or there's a button on top of it that'll start recording, and I just realized that. So my season's almost over with this dump truck, but I in the future was gonna use this feature to save some clips so that I get to see quite a bit of stuff out there, even though I'm pretty well local. But if you don't mind this, or I'm sure I'll see some cooler stuff. I just figured out how to work this, so let me know if this is something any of you are interested in seeing more of, so we'll get some better clips down the road and go from there. Leave a comment and let me know what you think. If you ever see or hear me referencing New York, do not mistake it for New York City. I cannot get any farther away from that crummy old city and still be in the state of New York. So we are Western New York, right on Lake Erie, right on the state line with Pennsylvania.